welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm getting ready to replace this transmission. As y'all can see, look at them. Whew, that is bad. Look at the fluid. Now, but that ain't what I want to talk about, guys. I want to talk about a situation where I got to find out a way how to get something off. Let me get this bolt off right quick so we can take a closer look. Whoa. Alright, hold tight. Yeah, this thing was whining like a big dog. I don't know what came apart in this one. So they won't let us go in them no more, guys. So back in the day, I used to love to see stuff like this. And it used to be a challenge and exciting to go in and try to find out what failed and what I need to repair it. Man, JT the transmission guy days might be winding down, guys. They're making us replace units. Okay, now the way the estimate was written up, well, actually is what it needed. Our thing is here, if it exceeds, if to fix it, the repair exceeds 70% of a complete unit, we are to replace it. All right, so based on this, I don't have gloves on, but I want to take a look at this magnet. I mean, based off this alone, you're looking at a front pump and a torque converter. So that right there, I take it over the hump and a couple of, overhaul kit. I don't know how to differential the compound look. I don't know if the valve body restricted or if the condenser restricted. Okay, this car barely made it in. It was whining big time. All right. In fact, I didn't make it in. I made it to the door and had to push it the rest of the way. So yes, there's some internal failure. Oh guys, look at that. Holy crap. Clutch material, yes, a little bit of that, but I feel chunks of aluminum. Okay, so something, snap ring may have busted up or came apart. It's hard to say, guys, but the fluid is no longer red, that's for sure. Hey, that's a nice little thumbnail picture right there, guys. No, I'm not gonna do Scotty like that. But my point is, guys, I'm getting ready to replace this. So the fluid is no longer red. Okay, why I fired the camera up in the first place. I want y'all to take a look at something. All right, in the middle process of removing the transmission, this brace have to come off. Remember I talked about this before. Look what happened, guys. They went downhill too fast. Now it's gonna be a challenge. So y'all remember the last one? It messed around and came right out. Okay, will they give me a new brace? I don't know. And y'all remember how the new braces are designed, right? Y'all saw that video. If you didn't, watch it right here, where I got the part and I was able to put it on in one piece. So I did get a good bite. It's still 6 points, I think. One thing now, I'm gonna have to take a piece of chisel or something and bang this off of here. Let me get y'all a better view. Yeah, I'm gonna take a chisel or something and bang that off of here so I can get a socket around here, because I gotta turn that. I do not want it to break in this brace or we're done. Okay, it's gonna be body shop time then, because as far as I go, as far as my skills would take me, I'm not finna try to tap, cut, heat up. I saw somebody on one of my on that video, one in the comment section, say he put a torch to it, get it real ruby hot, and he was able to back it out. I'm gonna have to look at that and get in and chat with Buddy, so he have a remedy on how to easily get him out, I guess. But now I haven't seen one scratched up with the new brace on it. Remember, guys, the new brace have a little bar that come around here that would take the bulk of the impact when you're going downhill fast. What's happening is people are going downhill and they scraping this. This is not gonna stop it. In fact, this is what's likely gonna make the noise, and this is gonna make the rest of the noise. Do you gotta replace this brace? No, but according to Ruley and according to my eyes, I was able to see that this bolt alone cost $58. So I'm gonna have to go tell somebody something. All right, I'm not responsible for this, but I do, however, have to drain the transmission. So I want to get my draining. There's several ways you can go by it. I like to drain mine first, so when I take it out, I can go straight to the box in which it came in. I don't know. Right? I guess I gotta try to. It's gotta come off. That's the way I can get the transmission out. With it. All right. So we'll see, guys. Stay tuned. Wow, guys, this is what I didn't want to happen. Holy crap. Oh my goodness, guys, it broke off inside. Oh no. Oh, that's what I didn't want to happen. You piece of junk. Alright, guys, stay tuned. I'll let y'all know what happens.